I'm trying to give you as much information and as many tools to hit the nail on the head as possible. And
Mhm.
that can be FYIs, that can be the choice of cut, that can be in breakdown description that I've written, that can be in like a note, like this is done with an accent, or this is a pronunciation of a very strange word that you've never seen. So I
Mhm.
try to make sure that like no stone left unturned. I've done everything I can, in so much as the self-tape instructions, or when we used to be in the room, like directions to get to the studio, like you're going to need a photo ID when you get into the building.
Right.
Don't use the elevators on the right side of Ripley, use the elevators on the left side of Ripley. Like if I haven't done everything to make sure that you come prepared and on time and not self-conscious in any way, then I've done my job well and you'll get to shine. So I try to have actors have that insight, because maybe that'll take the pressure off of them of knowing like, we are rooting for you. We are doing our darndest to make sure that there isn't missing information that causes you anxiety, right? I want
Yeah.
to make sure that everything I've done has allowed you to feel very confident in what's happening. Both in like where to go, what to do, how much time you'll need to log into weaudition.com. Like I'm making sure that there's no room for error in your interpretation and your preparation. So if you feel comfortable, then I've done my job well. If you feel uncomfortable, I haven't done my job well. So that's, again, trying to give the actors this empowerment of like, oh, okay, no one's conspiring against me. No one's looking for a gotcha. No one's looking to see if I guessed correctly. Like I'm trying to take all the guessing out of it. I'm trying
Right.
to give you the yellow brick road to success.
Thank you so much for watching. For more great interviews, insight, and more, click the next video and be sure to subscribe.